Okay, now I'm going to work what I think is number 4. I may have called the last one number 4. I apologize. This is going to be number 4. I may just do one on this video, and we'll see how long it gets. All right, so this problem, first of all, the drawing is really bad. I know. I tried to wing it with the circle, and I just did a bad job of it. And my numbers are very, very not to scale and not accurate. So in a minute, we're going to get some number for this arc that is bigger than 99, but that arc clearly doesn't look bigger. So it is not to scale. Do not measure anything here. All right, so what do I need to do? Let's see. What is the measure of angle 1? Well, first of all, this is an inscribed angle. Angle 1 is right here. Whoops. Let's try that again. The green. All right, angle 1 is this inscribed angle. Just following the line. It hits the circle right here, and it hits the circle right here. Okay, so do you see the arc that angle 1 intercepts? It intercepts this arc right here along the outside of the circle. Well, if we can figure out the measurement of that arc, then we can figure out the measurement of angle 1, because we know that an inscribed angle is half the central angle, or it's half of the arc that it intercepts, because the arc and the central angle are equal. Okay, so all we need to find is from D to B and cut that in half. So from D to B is going to be 70 plus 85. What does that give us? That gives us 155. Take 155, divide it by 2, and you get the measure of angle 1 is 77.5 degrees. All right, let's go on to the measure of angle 2. Let me change colors here. Okay, angle 2. This time angle 2 is down here. It comes out at the circle here. Wow, that looks really bad. And here. Whoa. I'm sure I could get better at this one day, maybe. All right, let's see. Angle 2 comes out right here. All right, so there we go. I did it in red. Of course, I've messed this up. Angle 2. Here's angle 2. All right, angle 2. If you draw from this point to this point along the circle, you have marked the arc that angle 2 is. Okay, so angle 2 covers this much, which we know is 85, and then this much, which we actually don't know, but we can figure that out. A whole circle is 360 degrees. Well, we know that from A to D is 99. We know that from D to C is 70, and that we know from C to B is 85. So if we will use the fact that all the way around is 360 degrees, add 99, 70, and 85, subtract from 360, we can get this arc AB, the measure of arc AB is 106 degrees. Okay, now to get angle 2, all we have to do is cut that number in half. So half of 106 is simply going to be 53. So angle 2 is 53 degrees. All right, angle 1, let's see if I can just fill these in here. 77.5. Angle 2 is 53 degrees. Now I can erase. Okay, so go back to our problem here. We need angle 3. Well, angle 3 is this angle right here. So it is from this point to this point around the circle. Let me mark it for you. Well, we know that this much right here that I'm drawing is 99 degrees. And then we know that the distance or the degree measure from A to B is 106 because we just found it out a second ago. So all we have to do is add 99 and 106. And I get, hold on, I get 205 for that whole arc measurement there. But since I'm looking for the inscribed angle, I need to divide that by 2. And I get 102.5. 102.5 degrees. Okay, now the measure of angle 4. If you're watching this with me, I want you to pause the video real quick and draw what you know is angle 4 and highlight the arc that goes with angle 4. Okay, so here comes angle 4. Whoa. Golly, that's terrible. I'm going to highlight the arc. There we go. Okay, so how much is that arc? Well, that arc is simply 99 plus 70. What does that give you? 99 plus 70 is 169. Cut that in half because angle 4 is an inscribed angle. And you get 84.5. 84.5 degrees. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and quit this video and then continue on the next one. Maybe. Well, I think I am. I don't know if I'm still recording or not, you guys.